Hi everyone, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I'm Willie Apai. I'm a civil engineer. So I'm going to teach you civil engineering year 2 student diploma. So I'm going to teach you some units in civil engineering which are measurement and estimation and costing. So today I'm going to teach you measurement. In measurement, I'm just going to introduce to you measurement. So without wasting time, let me just introduce for you. So I'm going to basic part, functions of a vehicle. So, function of BQ. The first function of BQ is it enables contractors, tendering for a contract to price on exactly the same information with minimum effort. That's the first point. It enables all contractors tendering for a project to price on exactly the same information with minimum effort. The second point is it provides violation of variation. It provides violation of variations. That's the second point. That point, it enables, it provide itemized list of materials needed in the construction. So in the BQ, you will find the material needed in the construction of a project or a structure. Then I think this is the function of BQ. So let me just go to taking off, which is the best part that we are going to tackle. Taking off. Taking off. So we have a definition for taking off. Taking off is extracting dimension from a drawing. For example, we have a drawing like this one. Let's say this one is just a sketch. This is a plan, house plan. So we have dimensions. Dimensions are just the measurement. So we have 6, 8 millimeters. So we extract these dimensions from. We just extract, take this dimension, then we put it in a dimension paper. So taking off is extracting dimension from a drawing. That's in simple terms. I've just defined it in simple terms without complicating it. So taking off, we take off. After taking off, we put on the dimension paper. So we have something called dimension paper. Dimension paper. Dimension paper is a special that dimension are entered. So let me just show you a drawing of dimension paper. Dimension paper. We have a dimension paper like this. This is a dimension paper. So we have to call this one a pencil column. Pencil column. This is a dimension column. Dimension column. This is a squaring column. Squaring column. And this is a descriptive column. So in dimension column, for example, we have two windows here. maybe 2 windows, 5 columns. So we have window like this one. Let's say this is a window, and we have the other window here with the same measurement there. This is 2, this is 5, this is 2, this is 5. We have 2 windows. So this we say, so we put in times in column the number of windows, which is 2, 1, 2. So we put 2. Then here, it is a dimension column. So we put dimension of this is 5, this is 2. So we put 5 and 2. So 5 and 2. Let's assume this one, this is the area. So we put 5 and 2, and then we underline here. Then after that, this is squaring column. The squaring column is what you get after multiplying dimension column and times in column. Let's say this one. So then we have something here when you have found out that subsequently they have 4 more columns you want to add. This is a column, This is a column with the measurement of length, which is length 8.50, width 7.50, 6.50. This is the measurement of a column, and then we have 12 columns. Then we have found that subsequently we have found that 4 more columns, 4 more foundation of bases of the same dimension were to be constructed. Then you add 4 here, you put dot here, and then you add 4 here. Then you add 12 plus 4, then time is what you get here. Yeah? I think that's very simple. That is called dotting. Dotting on, Dotting on, that is called dotting on. Then after that, you have something called handing hole. For example, you have a column of the same measurement, just one column, not column. Let's say not column, something like what is this? Let's say maybe a window. We have a window of the same measurement, maybe 4 by 2, then width. And again, we have something here of the same measurement of this one. Instead of repeating, you just put something like this. Don't mind my drawing, something like this. And then you put the description here. Maybe say you just started a simple description. So this description describes both this and this because they have same dimension. Thank you. So I will stop there. Maybe tomorrow we'll start another topic.